Hey guys, it's Manny here at Peoria Ford. Today we're going to be checking out this 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. This is going to be a 4x4 Super Crew. So let's check that out. So it is going to be a single speed transmission. The exterior color is going to be that avalanche color. It's such a great color. We do have a sprayed in bed liner with Inyati. Now, one of the benefits with the Ford F-150 Lightning is it has a power up and power down tailgate. So just with the click of your control, you're able to do that. And it goes back up as well. So that's a nice little feature to have. We also do have the same feature for the front hood. Both power up and power down. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. We're also going to be able to see the front space what you have. This is your front trunk, otherwise known as your frunk. You have enough space. We have a little bit of storage compartment on the bottom here just in case. Take a look at that.